Welcome back to the Tool Crib. Today we're going to be looking at a case that is designed to hold the Leatherman bit kit, as well as one of the first cases that I have seen that really holds in the ratcheting extension very well. So this one is designed and sold by HoldMyGear. They have an Etsy store, but they also have an Amazon store, and this is where I purchased this one. So the way this works is you want to slide your two bit sleeves in so that they come in back to back. That way they slip in there very nicely, and then the Leatherman logo actually shows in the window here. A little bit of weight saving that he designed into this, so this works really well. And I was really impressed by this. The fitment on the extension is what really got me. This one holds really well. It is very well designed, and it will also hold the standardized extension. So if you lean towards this extension as opposed to the ratcheting extension, then you can use either or. But I really like the fact that this one fits in there. This is a very simplified, easy way to carry this particular extension, because this is I've seen a couple of different cases, but I don't think I've seen one that is done quite this well. Now, it comes in two different sizes for the belt loop. I purchased the one for the 1.5. I think they also have one that's for a 2-inch. So you can, if you use a little wider belt, you can get this a little bit longer. It's built in two pieces, so the clip piece will screw into the main body. I'm not sure if he integrated some dimples in there, because there's no movement whatsoever on that clip. So it's done really nicely. Anyway, this is one of the best cases I've seen. There's a lot of different cases. I got this one off of Etsy a long time ago, and this one is designed to hold your bit kit plus the standardized extension. This is part of the reason why I like this one, because you can get that ratcheting extension in there, which I know a lot of people like. So I will leave a link down below to this. I just got this in today. I haven't had a chance to put any wear on it, obviously, to see how well it holds up, but it feels really well constructed. The 3D printing job on this is done really nicely, and so I see this holding up for quite a while. At any rate, I will leave a link down below to HoldMyGear's Amazon store, and specifically the link to this particular case for those that are interested to check it out. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib, and I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.